Welcome back, guys. BOK Slime here, back with another TecSpot unboxing. I've got an unboxing of the product red iPhone 12. I already did an unboxing / review of the iPhone 12 mini. If y'all haven't checked that out, go ahead and click on that link down below. And yes, I am having a giveaway for this iPhone 12 mini to help grow this channel, so go ahead and tune in till the end of this video. And I do have a surprise for you newcomers. So without further ado, let's get right into this iPhone 12 product red unboxing. I was already rocking with that product red SE. Let's just see how this red looks. Whoo, man, this red looks clean. Always so satisfying. But guys, just look at that red. It's so clean. But let's just check out what else this box came with. So just like the mini, we get the paperwork, the clean product red paperwork, the SIM ejector tool, and just a charging cable and some stickers. And that's it. But guys, just look at this red. It's so clean. From what I was hearing online, I thought the red was gonna look like an almost pink for a second, but that's honestly not the case. Compared to the previous SE, it does look a little less red, but it's still definitely product red. Now before I forget, make sure y'all smash that like button, like, share, and subscribe. We got hella content lined up, and I'll be announcing the winner of the iPhone mini, so tune the fuck in, dude. So I did pick up the MagSafe charger as well, just for convenience. I will be giving you guys a little bit more in-depth review in about a week or so when I give you guys a full review for this iPhone 12. But here's a quick little unboxing for y'all. It's pretty clean. So the first thing I noticed is the metal's pretty cold to the touch. I'ma just smack it on the 12 real quick. It's only pretty good for real. So satisfying. Yeah, I actually mess with this. Nice, Apple. Alright, like I said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winner of the iPhone 12 mini. So let's just do this quick little random comment picker for real. Alright, 45. Jeff Glenn, congratulations. So he said, I tried one out at the Apple store, the nostalgia, but with a big screen. I completely agree. It almost reminds me of the 5S, but with a full screen display and a way better camera setup. I'm messing with it for sure. Alright, so just email me down below so I can get this to you out as fast as possible. Like I said, I have a surprise for the newcomers and for the current viewers. I am going to be having a giveaway for this iPhone 12 as well. So all you got to do to get that is just comment down below, like, share with at least 5 friends on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and smash that subscribe and that notification bell to be notified for any new videos from TecSpot. Come on, guys, we're sitting at 85 subscribers and almost 1,500 views. What's going on, guys? What's going on? Alright, gang, that's it for this video. Comment down below your favorite tech of 2020 so we can get it in-house to review for you guys. Peace.